Hello, my friend. Mindset 101. The less self-aware we are, the more our intelligence will serve primitive functions. When we are not aware or not self-aware, we are letting our ego drive the boat. And the less self-aware we are, the less we have the ability to change patterns in effective behavior. And the more we're letting our ego take over, the more suffering in our life will occur. This is unavoidable. So what is the solution? Solution is to be gentle with yourself and slowly create self-awareness. This is a process. This doesn't happen overnight. And by doing that, you have the ability to see your own patterns. In this situation, I react, let's say, in an aggressive way, in an ineffective way. My communication is not as good as it should be. In that situation, I do this. Now, when you have awareness, you can look at the patterns very often, or in the majority of times. There is an underlying aspect, that is grounded in childhood. But you don't even have to go there. You just look at the pattern and, okay, this pattern is not effective. What pattern do I want to create instead? So then you create a new pattern with a coach or by yourself, and one that is more effective, that will contribute to your own life, to the life of others, and so you feel better about yourself. And then through repetition, when you have certain triggers, you become aware of, okay, this is a moment like where I have to shift. You shift the new behavior to the old behavior to the new behavior, and then you replace. Through repetition, it's neuroplasticity. Over time, those old behaviors will be ridden over by the new patterns, and you become or you self-improve. Um, Otherwise, when we don't have that self-awareness, what do we do? We push other people away with behavior that we actually want to have close. So meaning that the need of closeness, of communication, of feeling connected with the people that we love, um, we're actually creating the opposite behavior. We're pushing them away. So awareness helps us, okay, this is not effective, and gives us the opportunity to shift. Another aspect that the ego likes to do, we like to compare. Um, when we compare, we will always run into suffering. There's always somebody that has a bigger boat, a bigger house, goes to nicer vacations and so on. And when we don't learn that and stop comparison and knowing that we are our unique us, um, if we don't implement this over and over again, then our ego takes over and we will always experience the feeling of not being enough, not being loved, and so on. So keep following me, and I talk to you guys soon. Take care, my friend.